Okay, so today we are going to talk about building voice agent for Starbucks. Starbucks is one of the biggest coffee billion-dollar business, and we're just going to talk how you can create voice agents and automate the whole process. For example, if I'm a person coming to Starbucks or at the drive-thru, I could just easily talk to an AI, get my Frappuccino, get my coffee, get my food properly, and this whole process we're going to create. Now, before you jump into it, I want to tell you this is really excellent as an example to show customers. Usually, you might not be building it specifically for Starbucks, but if you have an example specifically for Starbucks, which I have for KFC, for McDonald's, for many different providers, it's super easy for people to understand. Because one of the biggest challenges of AI is it's too complicated. People are scared. People don't understand. People hear AI, they're like, what's happening? But the fact is, if you've got Starbucks, people understand, okay, this is coffee. Oh, this is how things are being automated. So today we are building that. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go through it one by one. And I hope you're going to like it. See you then. So perfect. As a first step, I always go and check out my prompts on ChatGPT. This is one of the best places because ChatGPT different models keep on improving. You can build the prompts. Right now I'm going to go into basic prompts which I'm going to use for this video, but the next follow-up video I'm going to tell you exactly how to build really proper perfect prompts. So first of all, I'm just going to go through this prompt. Let me show you. I've create a voice agent prompt for ordering system for Starbucks. It should be able to order anything from the menu and tell exactly the price of everything. So all of that information. So when I inputted that, ChatGPT gave me a bit of information, but then I dictated that it should mention every small detail. So then, can you add the whole menu of Starbucks in the prompt, please? And then the whole menu was added, and this is a menu for euros because right now I'm living in Germany, so it took the numbers exactly from there. So right now I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna copy this. So I'm gonna copy everything and I'm gonna go on this platform, which is Voho. Voho is one of the easiest ways to build voice agents, and you can connect it to any number out there. You can also buy your own phone number. There's tool calling, there's logs, there's everything which exists on this platform which you can leverage it for. So that is the plan. Right now we are going in there, we're creating a voice agent. We're gonna keep an English voice and we're gonna copy this exact prompt that we have gotten. Now I'm just gonna delete the last parts. And I'm just gonna delete this, and I'm gonna add, hey, this is Kate from Starbucks. What would you like to have? What would you like to have? And then I'm just gonna save it here on Voho platform, and I'm gonna publish it because you have to publish so that we could start testing it out. And now I hope you hear the voice and I'm going to talk to it and see. This is a very quick and fast voice agent that we're building, but just to show you the power of many different kind of voice agents that you could potentially build.
Hi there, this is Kate from Starbucks. What would you like to have?
What kind of coffee do you have?
Great question. We have a wide variety of coffee options. Here are some popular choices. Hot espresso drinks. Cafe latte, Euro 5.40.
Do you have Frappuccino?
No, Starbucks does not have a Slack channel for ordering. However, I'm here to help you place your order quickly and easily. What can I get for you today?
Can you get me an hot espresso drink?
Sure, we have the following hot espresso drinks. Cafe latte, Euro 5.40. Cafe Americano, Euro 4.90. Cafe mocha, Euro 6.40.
Okay, I would like to get the cafe latte.
Got it. One cafe latte for Euro 5.40. Would you like any customizations, like a specific milk type or size?
No, that is it. I just like to have it normally with the normal milk.
Perfect. One regular cafe latte with standard milk, that's Euro 5.40. Your order is confirmed. You can pick it up in about 5-10 minutes. Thanks for ordering with Starbucks.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Thanks a lot. So we built the whole automated system for Starbucks. Some of the improvements, which we are going to go in the next videos, it was not exactly mentioning 5.40 properly. So it's like €5.40. If you want to improve that, this is super easy. just inside the prompt right now, we were adding 5.4 euro. You could exactly mention, hey, 5.4, always mention 5 euro 40 cents. You can specify all of these details in there. And for example, it couldn't find Frappuccino. The reason is because we didn't have Frappuccino in the menu. But anything that you want to add in there, you can just add it inside the menu. So it's really important that you add everything in the prompt. You can also add it in knowledge base, but all my testing, with all the testing that I've previously done, I feel like adding anything inside a prompt is much better than a knowledge base, because then it's much faster retrieval. Obviously, you've got tool calling. With tool calling, you can pull anything from a database, which we also have on the Voho platform. And you can also connect with Zapier. You can connect with anything out there and pull information. So all of that is available, but this was a small demo. I don't usually sell solutions like this, but if I'm demoing it to a customer, I'm going to show them something which they understand. And most of the people out there, they understand Starbucks, and then it's easy for them to understand what is the value proposition. I hope you like it. In the next videos, which I'm bringing out now daily, I'm going to go into more detail about how to connect it with different APIs or different tool calling. So stay tuned, and we're going to bring also a lot of MCPs, a lot of N8N, a lot of tool calling. This is going to become really advanced level going forward. But I wanted to start with really basic beginner, and then go proper advanced medium to take you through all of this. Perfect. If you like this, like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.